welcome to Apex. My name is Matt, core maintainer, and in this brief introduction I will step you through what Apex is, why it was developed, and how it can benefit you and your work life. Apex is an open source PHP based framework akin to Laravel, CodeIgnighter, Slim, and the other ones out there. It was initially developed to be a modern day replacement to Wordpress, hence its modular design, although these projects do tend to take on a life of their own, so we'll have to see what happens. On top of just being a framework, Apex is also backed by a very powerful development network with full repository functionality. This means things such as commits, releases, upgrades, CI pipelines, staging environments, deployment, branch management, and things of that nature are all very streamlined as they are fully integrated directly into the software. The mission of Apex is simple: to provide developers with the tools, resources, and infrastructure necessary to more efficiently onboard clients and develop out and maintain their operations, which will increase your value add in the industry and in turn result in more money in your pocket. On top of the development network, Apex also has a built-in marketplace, meaning developers can develop packages with any functionality they desire, mark them as commercial, set any price they desire, and publish them to the network at absolutely no cost. Anytime that package is purchased, the money goes directly to you with no middleman or waiting periods. Apex very much embraces a simple is good mantra. Everything is fully PSR compliant and utilizes solid development principles. There's no magic tricks, no BS, just straightforward and solid software development. This means if you are a veteran developer, everything should already be familiar to you and you should be able to pick up Apex within a matter of hours. If you are a new developer, the vast majority of any learning curve incurred by teaching yourself Apex will be transferable to other projects and languages and beneficial to you throughout your developer journey. There is a full training program that will step you through all facets of Apex development, extensive documentation and guides, plus a very supportive Reddit community that you should never hesitate to post on if you have any questions, issues, comments, or feedback. Thank you very much for dropping by the site. I truly appreciate your time. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and come along this journey with the rest of us to see where we end up. See you out there.